Hi, today we will be discussing how asthma is diagnosed. The process begins with a detailed chat about your medical history, followed by a physical examination. Your doctor will specifically pay attention to your lungs, looking for signs such as wheezing, shortness of breath, or constant cough. Typically, a spirometry test is conducted to ascertain the capacity of your lungs. It assesses how well you can breathe in and out. Sometimes a peak flow meter test might also be carried out for more clarity. So diagnosing asthma can be the first step towards managing it effectively and improving your quality of life. Don't let asthma hold you back. You can explore Welling Homeopathy's award-winning scientific homeopathic treatment to regain control of your life. Reach out to us right now for your personalized pain-free recovery plans.